How's it going? Today we will be learning I will be showing you how to make evil eyes in Kdenlive. So first thing you're going to want to do is just import a photo of, or video of a face. Some stock footage I'm using here. Link in the description. But you can use basically any. I recommend the subject being pretty big in the frame, but anything is good. And you're just going to search up motion tracking, and you're going to drag that down onto this clip. You're going to see a little red box. You're going to set the tracking algorithm to most and the keyframe spacing to 1 because it just gives the most accurate results. And you're going to just adjusting this for clarity, not really necessary, but you're going to drag this until it's over the eye, and you're going to kind of shrink it down and just place over the eye of your subject. There. And you're just going to make sure it's at the very first frame of your video. And click Analyze. Great. Now, once that's done, you're going to open an image. Oh, a color clip. You're going to insert a color clip. You can do that like I show above, and you're going to search up transform. You're going to drag it down onto that clip, and you're going to go to three lines here. Click copy frames, keyframes to clipboard. You're going to go 3 lines here, and you're going to click import keyframes. You're going to uncheck that box at the bottom, just for, in my experience, it works the best, and you're going to click OK. And now you can see the black box is kind of tracking where the box is. And then you're going to search up rotoscoping, and you're going to drag it down. You're going to go down, and you're going to move it up to the top because of the effects bar, because it'll only work if you do that. And you're just going in big shape. You're going to draw the shape of your eye. I'm being a bit hasty here, just for the purposes of this video. You can spend as much time as you like adjusting, really, and going through, and even manually adjusting the keyframes yourself to make it look really good. But for demonstration purposes, you only need like a decent oval, and you can see there's an oval there if it doesn't get in the way, the little red dot. And yeah, that's the first eye done, but you can see we haven't done the second eye, so I'm just going to more quickly rapid fire do the other eye. Same thing, just other side. And align that there. Shrink it down. Mouse and 1 keyframe spacing. Yep. Align that there. First frame, line, and analyze. Good. Insert a track above, and copy your color clip. Go transform. Drag down. First frame. Go down. Copy the motion tracking data. paste it in, unclick that box, okay, and rotoscoping, drag that down, draw your shape, bit clumsy on this one, oh well, there, just feathering if you like, and now you can see there is the finished effect. Just ignore these red boxes, they won't be there in the final export. But yeah, that's how you do it. Feel free to rewatch this video or try this with a bunch of different images, bunch of different colors. And yeah, thanks for watching.